Never done it this way before. These are things I should probably practice. Okay, so we're gonna take our egg bites somehow. Never done it this way before. These are things I should probably practice before doing videos. And we got our egg bites. And I'm gonna show you, let's get rid of that too. A little trick here. You want to pat them down, get rid of some of that moisture. Not have your fire going while you're doing this. We're going to cook our vegetables in the soup. For the soup. Okay, our onions are just ready to put our meat in now. And then our sauce. Little trick I learned. A little bit of water, or in this case, we got the broth. Get rid of everything else and put it in. All right, we got 5 minutes left of the broth to cook, and we're at 9:30. And then I got one more thing to cook after this. Okay, our chicken broth is done. This is go time right now. This is when I get busy and start prepping everything. I probably should have made some chicken salad prior to this, considering I'm in a challenge. And it is 9:45. I got 45 minutes. Yeah, exciting. Get that out. Get it cleaned out. Oh, my grater. What did I do with my grater? Wash that. Okay, of course. I'm just going to grate it all. It. All right, look at that. There we go. 25 minutes for this bad boy right here. And now we're just going to start packaging some of our meals. Okay, now we're going to get to making some chicken salad sandwiches. Alright, this chicken was for soup. This chicken was for my salads. This is for chicken salad sandwich. We're 2 minutes away from our potato au gratin from being finished. I've got a variety of different things packaged, just about ready to go, and it is 9:26. So I am 3 hours and 57 minutes into this right now. I am not going to make my goal of 4 hours, but I will be done probably within half an hour. Everything cleaned up, so that's going to be 4.5 hours. Should be. Well, we'll wait and see. But we're into our last minute. Got all of our broth here that we're going to freeze. You can see that. You can see different packages over here. I'll show you some of this stuff when I'm done. And we're just going to go ahead and end this. And you know what I was going to start was my gravy. I think that's the last thing I've got to cook is gravy. Okay, this is done. This is just a mess of a meal. I'll probably choose a different meal, and I've never made this one before, so I won't be making this one again, I can tell. But it's food, it's cooked, and I bet it tastes good. It's got a lot of good ingredients in it, so it should taste pretty darn good. This is going to be our soup base here. We've got everything. We're just starting to package everything up. I think I'll be done in, I don't know, 15 minutes, so about 20 minutes past my goal. I didn't use the rice, and so I decided to put some rice into this soup to have a chicken and rice soup. And oh my gosh, this smells good. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna get this stuff ready, and I will be right back, and I'm gonna show you everything that I've made. This is, I can't, this, I am so excited to show you this, because what time is it? It's 5 to 11. I started about 6:30, so that's not bad. We're less than 4.5 hours, and my goal was to be 4 hours totally cleaned up. And I am, well, I'm pretty much cleaned up. I've got about 5 minutes of cleanup after this stuff is put away. So just give me a few minutes, and I'll be right back. An entire week worth of food for 25 bucks and 4 hours and 26 minutes of work. We have our mashed potatoes with a sous vide, our sauce that we added onions and beef to, the pasta that we're gonna be able to put the sauce on top of, our sous vide egg bites, our gravy, our salad for our sandwiches, and our lunch sandwiches, boiled eggs. I don't know what I'm going to do with those sliced up boiled eggs, and I put the tray the wrong way. Our potato au gratin, our chicken salad for our chicken salad sandwiches, soup, the bread, and now I'm going to show you what I have left over, because I could eat for more than a week for 25 bucks. We've got 3 eggs, probably 3 cups of chicken broth that we have, some potatoes, onions. I'm gonna slice up those tomatoes for the sandwiches. I just won't slice those up. A lot of extra rice, celery, carrots, and the bowl of soup that I'm about to eat. Alright, well, I've gone ahead and I've taken all my pictures. I am officially done. I'm going to be putting this stuff away. And as far as I'm concerned, my kitchen is clean. And what time is it? 10 minutes after 11. Well, I am finally here, cleaned up, and it's 11:15, and I'm going to be eating this soup that I made really quick. I think I made it too quickly, but man, oh man, it looks good. I'll tell you. I'm concerned about the potatoes. They're done. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, a bottle of wine, 25 bucks. I had a hell of a time, and I get to eat for a week.